Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. I hope you're having an awesome day, and we are going to start it out with a new product. It is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, and I am using the shade 1, which is a light cool shade, and this says it has light to medium coverage, so not really my game, but in the summer it is nice to have some light coverage for just everyday wear around the house or whatever, or maybe that is your style. So this is said to have SPF 15 sunscreen in it, which is great, but sometimes SPF in makeup makes me break out, so we'll see what happens with that. According to the website, it says that this is a buildable formula, easy to apply, flashback free, plus it contains shea extract, which is known to smooth and help protect skin. And also there is only 12 shades, which I cannot believe this is still happening in this day and age. With products like this, I always hope that they expand their shade range. Some do. Some listen to the people and they expand their shade range, which is really awesome. So let's just hope this is another product where the range will be extended. So according to the instructions, it just says to shake well before use, blend 1 drop onto clean moisturized face, using a beauty sponge or fingertips. Repeat to build coverage. So what I'm going to do with the first drop is I'm going to use it like a moisturizer, see how it does, and then probably build it up with a damp beauty blender. So far all I have on is some lip gloss, primer on my eyelids, and I have my brows done. And I also have a nude pencil in my lower waterline to help brighten up my eyes. So I'm kind of needing this foundation to pull it all together, and then I'm going to add other products on top of it to see how products build on top of it. Alright, now I'm shaking well. Alright, I have probably about 1 drop. Just gonna put it between my fingertips and put it on like I would normal moisturizer. Okay, I notice a teensy tiny bit of coverage when I put it down, but it feels like it went away immediately. So we're gonna go in with the big guns. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, take my damp beauty blender, and just stamp it right into my face. Okay, that's definitely better. I am going to go in with 1 more coat, and I just want to let you know this does smell like sunscreen, so I'm not the biggest fan of that. I'm having to use quite a bit of product just to get 1 coat on my face. Alright, I am liking that. That is super nice. It is like a light to medium coverage, but it is nice for the summer, and it looks really hydrating, so I'm definitely not mad at it. Except for that sunscreen smell. Okay, now to see how stuff layers on it, I'm going to put on some Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer and set it with the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and see how it does. Okay, so far that's looking pretty damn good. I'm just going to take a little bit more setting powder and just set the rest of my face very, very lightly. Alright, really quick, I'm going to put on just a little bit of blush and some mascara, and I will be right back. Alrighty-roo, so I am all done. Usually I know pretty fast if a makeup look is going to go south or not, and this looks really nice. I actually am not hating the light to medium coverage, other than the SPF, and hopefully we'll see within the next day or two if my pores get clogged and I break out. This is something that I can easily reach for in the morning if I'm just running out of the house. You could probably use it as your moisturizer, but my skin's really dry, so I would moisturize, just put some on my fingers and just tap it all over my face because it did blend seamlessly, and just run out the door and call it a day. So if you're looking for a lightweight, buildable foundation that is really easy to apply, I definitely recommend this guy. This is a really cool foundation. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.